Well, this will be a good test actually for my microphone setting. It's a good bit of wind here, like serious wind. With my old microphone, well, the same microphone but without the covering, you wouldn't hear me at all. It would be just wind noise. But now I can actually show you what I made. Let's see. See this thing? It looks a bit stupid, and it will look even more stupid in your eyes when I will say what I made it from. This is the same type of material which semi-professional microphones use for wind noise blocking. But I got this material from somewhere else, from kitchen. Can you guess? What do you call this in English? The thing which you use for washing the dishes. The soft sponge? Sponge probably, yeah, that's the word that I was looking for. So I just cut a slice out of a sponge from kitchen and tied it with my thread, which I always carry with me for sewing just in case I need. And yeah, let's see if you hear me during this wind. Well, if you are watching this video, it means it was good because I will listen afterwards. You shouldn't be hearing anything in this wind, but if you will hear me, it means that this thing really works. So we will find out in a moment, while finding out what's interesting in Paphos.